Good day, class. Welcome to another lecture in Building Systems Design. Once again, I am Architect Carlo Bielza, your instructor, and today we will discuss some excerpt provisions of the National Structural Code of the Philippines and their application in a general structural note for a two-story residential. So in our NSCP, we have the design, no? Nandun yung LRFD, yung load resistance factored design, no? But in the 70s, no, ang unang design is working stress, no, or yung allowable stress design, no? And now our NSCP was revised, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng ultimate stress design, nagkaroon ng LRFD. So, naging mas maliit yung ating mga structural members, no? So hindi full load yung assumption lagi, no? It depends doon sa structure and depends doon sa load combination. And ayun nga, isang product ng ultimate stress design, no, yung performance-based design, no? Kaya mas lalo pa ngayon napaliit yung mga structural members, no? Yung analysis nila naging tailor fit depending on the building typology, depending on the location of the project. So why do we need to study this analysis, no? Kasi we're talking about the building integrity or the stability of the structure, no? We want to keep the structure in its state of equilibrium, no? So kahit na anong mga reaction or mga internal or external forces that will react on the members, no? So we want the structure to return to the state of equilibrium. So we also discuss itong soft story and yung weak story. So a soft story is a story having lateral force resisting elements neither parallel nor symmetrical about the major orthogonal axis of the system. Whereas yung weak story naman, so this is a story having lateral strength significantly less than that of the stories above. No, so a soft story, no, yung sa orthogonal axis niya, whereas yung weak story, so it has yung sa relation doon sa stories above it. So there are types of framing systems, no? One type is the braced frame, no? As you can see in this picture, ito yung diagonal bracing, no? Nagmukha siyang parang design dun sa skin ng building, no? Parang merong exoskeleton yung building. But basically, no, itong exoskeleton no to is the diagonal bracing nung high-rise structure na ito. Yung isa pa, yung bearing wall system, no? Load bearing yung wall. Yung usual natin ginagamit, yung mga moment resisting frame. And bihira tayo makakita, ito yung mga space frame structures natin, no? So as you can see here on the picture on the upper left, so this is a structure built by Zaha Hadid, designed by Zaha Hadid. No? So ito yung kanyang exoskeleton, and look kung paano siya nung na-finish na. So we also have space frame structures here in the Philippines, no? So ito parang ibang bansa, no? Pero ayun lang yun, no? Sa LRT Line 2 usually nakikita. And then in the structural code, no, sabi, reinforcing bars shall conform to STMA 615 grade 33 for 12 millimeter diameter bars and grade 40 for 16 millimeter diameter bars. No? Bakit? Kasi usually, di ba, ang ating mga 16 mm na rebar, this is for structural use. And yung ating mga 12 mm naman na rebar ay for architectural use. No? So pang kabilya ng CHB, no? Or pwedeng pang stiffener column, no? Yung 12 mm, no? Pero kapag structural, yung i-frame natin, no? I-reinforce natin yung ating mga columns, beams, and footings. So yung ginagamit natin is minimum 16 millimeter diameter and minimum grade na 40. So itong image naman na ito yung isang example ng structural note in a residential project, no? So ang minimum requirement ng NSCP for structural members, no? Yung ating suspended slabs, beams, columns, shear walls, footings, and RC walls, no? 3,000 PSI daw yung strength ng concrete. Whereas yung slab on grade kahit 2.5 lang, no? And then the aggregates, no? Maximum size of the aggregates 3/4. And then yung ating concrete cover naman, no? So it depends on the member. Pag suspended slab, so the minimum concrete cover is 3/4 inch or 19 millimeters. Pag slab on grade, so 1.5 inch or 38 millimeters. Or in actual, so ginagawa yan 40 millimeters na lang, no? Kasi mas madaling sukatin. And then stripping of forms and reshoring. So yung foundation, pagka nagforma pa, after 24 hours, pwede nang i-remove yung forma, no? Pero kapag suspended slab at yung beams natin, no? So 14 days yung stripping. And then lap splicing and length of anchorage. So yung ating lap splice, it depends on the diameter of the rebar. No? So pagka slab, no, using 10 mm or 12 millimeter diameter, so andito, no, either 30 cm or 35 cm yung lap length niya. And then yung ating location ng mga lapping, ng lap splice, hindi tayo naglalagay sa isang zone lang, no? So dinidistribute natin dapat yung location ng splicing. And then anchorage, no? Pagka mag-anchor tayo sa isang structural member pa, so andito rin on the chart. It depends on the diameter of the bar. So minsan pala in lapping, pwede tayong hindi mag-lap, no? We use mechanical coupler. So ayun. And then for the column and beam connection, no? So hindi rin tayo nag sa splice dito sa critical zone. At saan yung critical zone dito sa ating beam, no? So usually yung critical zone dito sa L/4. And then pipe sleeving, no? Pipe sleeve, ito yung mga protrusions, no, punches or holes, no, that the structural engineer allows doon sa beam, no, para maka-pass through yung isang pipe, no. So ito yung conditions doon sa pag-sleeve, no. So at yung least governs, no. So either 1/5 of the depth of the beam or 100 millimeter. No? So that's all. I hope you've learned something new and see you next time. Thank you.